So no code AI development. Now, there are two flavors to that. We have a gallery, like I said, of AIoT app stores that you can go and browse and download one of those. And those are models that we have trained for you. You can compile them to the microcontroller of your choice and just hit download. The download starts automatically and you're good to go to use that. And the second version of that is you can customize that with the playground. And what I mean by that is you can collect or create your own data sets and plug that data set, that customized data set to the notebook or the model, train it, and we'll give you the compiled version that works for your choice of microcontroller. And with this, you don't have to write a single line of code. You just press few buttons and utter a few words or capture a few images or collect the data from your sensor, create the data set. Everything else is just clicks and touches. And this is the URL if you want to explore our gallery, bit.ly/AIoT-apps. There are over 70 applications on our platform, hosted on our platform. You like one of those, you can start playing right away by clicking to edit and compile. So there are over 70. We continue to work on those. It would by the end of next quarter, we'll have over 100.
Here is a brief platform demo.
So let me go to give you the demo. And I'm going to switch my screen here. This is our platform. And I'm going to choose wake word detection. This particular application is essentially like Hey Google or Hey Alexa type of wake word detection, where it listens to your command and does the needful. And so in this demo, what I'm going to show you how easy is it to customize it to your needs. So you have a new keyword, let's say, hey Tobias, hey Rohit, or anything else like your product name. You can do that within few clicks and download the binary. For this demo, we have worked on keyword wow. So I'm going to give you the demo how that works. This is a hot word dialog. Now what you do is press the record button and say that hot word a few times, like wow, wow, wow. And it goes on for like a minute. If you are looking for a POC or a prototype with 60-70% accuracy, you give us 60-70 samples. That's good enough to get started. And this particular one is anything but hot word. So it could be a dog barking or me speaking or reading a passage or a newspaper, which does not have a hot word. So this is your negative speech samples. And with these two, what you do, you hit train, and depending on the samples, it would take anywhere from 30 seconds to 2 minutes to train. And once it is trained, come to this screen, which is the model is trained. Now you can test and find out how good is your model. And you can go back and forth to tweak certain things, like increase the size of your data set and see how much accuracy you get and stuff. So I'm going to test this. And this particular keyword is wow. Wow, today is May 11th. This is fantastic. We are testing the hot word detection. Wow. So with this, and I hit test with this model, the next screen, this is going to take us to the display of the audio waveform that it has captured, and it would highlight in the green bars the region that it has detected for the hot word. So this is what I recorded live, and this is my speech sample. I'm going to play it for you. Wow, today is May 11th. This is fantastic. We are testing the hot word detection. Wow. So this is these two regions that you see here highlighted in the in the green bars is basically the region where it has detected the word wow. Now, if you're not satisfied, you can go back and do that all over again, increase the size of data set and change few more things, and come back to this screen again. At the end of the training, it tells you exactly what kind of accuracy you're getting. So if you get 70%, you can increase that to 90 by increasing the data set and data set size and so on. And once you're satisfied with the accuracy, all you do is you pick the framework and the board. For this use case, we are using Arduino Nano 33BLE Sense, and we are going to download the entire binary that can be flashed onto the board that you see in my hand. So this is Arduino Nano BLE Sense, and I'm just going to compile. By the way, while we are on this screen, you can also choose TF Lite Micro in case you would like to develop using that. And let me press the button compile, and it takes some time. By the time it is done compiling, it will download the binary, and that is flashable. So any minute now, model compiled successfully, and here in the corner of the browser, you see the binary is already downloaded. So for this demo, I already have the binary flashed. All you have to do is to take this binary and flash it on the microcontroller that you see. I'm going to connect this and show you the demo working on the board. So this particular application will flash the light in green when it detects the keyword wow. Otherwise, it will stay red. So that's the function of this application. And I'm pressing reset now. Wow, fantastic. Wow. Today is AI VTT Tech demo. Wow. So, you can continue, and it will give you the signal that it has detected the keyword. And that's as easy as that. Bring your board, download, click few buttons, download the binary, flash it onto your device, and within half an hour to an hour, you're ready with your microcontroller that works and gives you the desired output. And so this was no-code demo, and we would continue to develop more applications as and when we find interesting ones. We have a couple of more for you to try: visual wake word and face mask detection. We would be bringing more sensors and boards to you on this platform.